Hey guys, my name is xOctoManx and this is a summary video of week 4 and 5 of my current Unity game object called Age of Boxes. And as you can see, I have changed a lot of stuff in here. At first I got rid of all the old GUI fragments and just added canvas GUI. Also the player base has a health bar right now and the enemy base has one. And also losing health and showing that one. I'm going to show you this one in just a second. I also added the gold and the EXP stuff on the top left of the game, and later on that white small images I will use some images to like coins over there and a brain or stuff. I don't know yet. Also I am able to go into the next age right now and also edit some geometry. I added some new trees over there to reduce the draw quality once again, and also all of that images and stuff are all on one map or on texture atlas. Basically for the GUI is one texture atlas and one is for the geometry. So also you can see they stick into each other, but that is important later on to change the geometry in the game itself. So let's get started and let's see what has happened over there. I'm going to mute the audio for me. There we go. Gonna mute that, otherwise I wouldn't I would be confused. Okay, so this is the Stone Age, so we are starting with a stone cave. The enemy AI is still doing the same, is sending all different kind of units in to make sure that it can do damage. And now you can see my player health is going to lose energy or health just because they attack this. And I start with $500 I can now cast some or the meteor shower again to get some EXP and gold, so I can first build up the first turret or the first tower and also the first gun on through that. I did a bit of balancing, and as you can see also all units have a health bar, so they can use or can lose visible health, and you know as a player how much you need to kill them actually. So now you can see how much is who doing against who. I also did a lot of balancing in between, and it seems to be kind of right, the balancing system at the moment. And again, I can build up to 4 towers. I also changed the prices for the towers a bit. The AI is again doing the same stuff, is also building the first tower and building the first gun. As you may have noticed, I haven't done the stuff over there, that GUI buttons for now, or that because I would change or may change them later on anyways. I'm not sure about all the designs for the guns at the moment, so that's why I skipped that a bit and pushed that a bit behind in my list or back into the list. So now I have 500 EXP. This is my cheating EXP. Later on it will be way higher, and now I can go into the next age, and then the complete geometry for the base is changing. So you can see that you are in the next age, which is Egypt's age. And I have a second or a new unit for this. At first here again is my melee unit, which is doing stuff as the others do. And there we go, there is a new unit which is kind of magican, so he shot bullets. Some timing might need to be later on again for the bullet stuff. As you can see, sometimes the animations and the bullet shot is not accurate or seems not accurate. I'm not sure if this is a temporary problem or just stuff I didn't notice yet. But basically those guys are working. Also the bullet is going through the enemies, which is not what I want. This is just because it gets ignored when normally it should explode, but when I'm not exploding that stuff, oh, I'm wrong. They are already exploding, or not exploding, but they are getting destroyed. Okay, so this is that. I also added some small leaves onto the trees and behind, but nobody can actually, or you maybe won't notice that. I may change this one once again later on. Basically, it's just for making some or getting some depth inside the game itself, and maybe I also will later on add some other backgrounds and stuff and get rid of the skybox I have used here, but for now it doesn't really matter. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, I can build the next tower, so this would give me the possibility to build other guns. But the thing is, on my gun panel over here, I haven't added any guns which are available in that age, so I cannot open the panel actually, and there wouldn't be anything I could build over there. Yeah, but still I can still sell that first gun I built in the Stone Age, but later on I will get rid of them and add some new ones. So the meteor itself has been changed in its geometry too. You may not notice that first it was a cube, now it is, as you can see, some meteor with some small texture on it, but you wouldn't see that in the game because they are too fast, so not really what was needed, of course. So yeah, that was everything I have done in the last 2 weeks. I couldn't send a video in the last week because I had trouble with some stuff or with other stuff, but doesn't matter really. I think I got really far, and the next stuff I'm going to work on is the third, which is a tankish unit for the Egypt's age, which will be some kind of mummy, and which will again will be like the mammoths, will be extremely tankish, like the double of the health as a mammoth has, or maybe more. I'm not sure about that yet. I'm also working on the balancing table while I am just producing all the stuff and modeling stuff and so on. And also everything works pretty nicely again, or still, on any Android any Android system I could test the stuff out, even with shadows. I had some trouble with shadows in the but since Unity 5 has a new shadow or lighting matrix, I would call this one, it wasn't a big problem to fix that stuff out, or find out what was doing all the trouble. Okay, so that's it for that summary of the last 2 weeks. I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked that video, just give me some thumb ups, and if you have any questions about that, just ask me, write me a comment or send me a message or whatever you like. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't have any if you haven't done that one before. Okay, see you in the next part. Bye bye.